In the continuation of our topic organometallic reagents, in this lecture our study point is preparation and synthesis of organocopper reagent. The most useful organocopper reagents are the lithium dialkyl cuprates. This is the preparation reaction for organocopper reagent. It is lithium dialkyl cuprate. In this reaction, when two equivalent of an alkyl lithium RLi react with the copper first halide in presence of diethyl ether or tetrahydrofuran, it produces the lithium dialkyl cuprate as a product. Now, what is the mechanism of this reaction? In mechanism of formation of lithium dialkyl cuprate, it proceeds in two steps. In the first step, 1 molar equivalent of alkyl lithium reagent displays iodide from copper first iodide to give alkyl copper first species. In the second step, the second molar equivalent of alkyl lithium adds to alkyl copper to give a negatively charged R2Cu- species, and this is called as dialkyl cuprate. It is formed as its lithium salt as a lithium dialkyl cuprate. The reaction is carried out in generally diethyl ether or tetrahydrofuran solution, and the lithium dialkyl cuprate is soluble under these conditions and used directly. In this same way, we can prepare the lithium diaryl cuprates also. Now, the preparation of alkane by the using organocopper reagents. We can prepare alkane by the organocopper reagent in this way. When lithium dialkyl cuprate react with alkyl halide, it produces alkane by carbon-carbon bond formation between alkyl group of alkyl halide and the alkyl group of dialkyl cuprate. We can see another reaction when the lithium dimethyl cuprate react with 1 iododecane, it produces undecane as a product. It is an alkane. We can see in this reaction that methyl and primary alkyl halides, especially iodide, work best, because if we use the secondary and tertiary alkyl halides, elimination became a problem. In this reaction, we can see that lithium diaryl cuprates undergo comparable reaction with primary alkyl halides. The most frequently used organocuprates are those in which the alkyl group is primary. Steric hindrance makes organocuprates that bear secondary and tertiary alkyl groups less reactive, and they tend to decompose before they react with the alkyl halides. The reaction of cuprate reagents with alkyl halides follows the usual SN2 order. That means CS3 is greater than primary, primary is greater than secondary, secondary is greater than tertiary. Because the alkyl halide and dialkyl cuprates reagent should both be primary in order to produce satisfactory yield of coupled products, the reaction is limited to the formation of RCH2 CH2R and RCH2 CH3 bonds in alkanes. A key step in the reaction mechanism appears to be nucleophilic attack on the alkyl halide by the negatively charged copper atom. But the details of the mechanism are not well understood. Indeed, there is probably more than one mechanism by which cuprates react with organic halogen compounds. In this reaction, we see that vinyl halide and aryl halides are known to be very unreactive in SN2 reaction, but they react with lithium dialkyl cuprate and they produce these products. We will be continuing on this topic in next lecture. So thanks.